There you go. All the black paint is pitted. And you can see this is aluminum here. And what I'm putting on is paint remover here. So it's easier to take it off without working hard. So as an example here, I can take my surgical blade. Here's one that's partly done. I might have to put a few coats on some of them. And you see me scraping it off. Otherwise I'd have to sand all this, and all this black paint is pitted because the lacquer, the clear lacquer, chipped off the top of it. See, this isn't on there long enough, so I'm going to let that soak a little bit more. So I'll go over each one about 2 times. Then a little light sandpaper will take the rest off. Okay. So you know, not easy work. Okay.